this tornado that only lasts 30 seconds. The house was gone. It's crazy to think that in 30 seconds, your whole life can get wiped off like that. We just cutting trees and branches, try to clear the land for the homeowners. The goal is to finish the job, give hope to the ones that lost, lost everything. And then when we finish, we give the homeowners the Bible, and we tell them that we love them and that Jesus Christ loved them. That is one of the parts that really, give me a lot of joy. Homeowners so happy, they feel so grateful that we are there for them. This is my 7th deployment. I never learned my lesson, I always come back.